This is the Merrill C30-ZPS packing nut. Will work for the models W5000 and the E5000 Merrill Yard hydrants. A couple things to notice. You'll see on this end here, it will have that almost squared kind of portion there. And then the external male threads down here at the bottom. So we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the packing nut. So first with a total length, see it measures right at about 3/4 of an inch. Then we can also get an outer diameter here at the bottom of the threads, which will measure just above 1/2 inch. And then an outer diameter of that square bit as well, just right below 1/2 inch. Once again, this is the Merrill C30-ZPS packing nut.